And welcome to the tax update. Supreme Court in case of Safari Retreats Private Limited dismisses Finance Ministry review petition in Safari Retreats ruling reaffirming ITC eligibility for real estate use in the leasing business. Background of the case: Safari Retreats Private Limited constructed a shopping mall and intended to lease out individual unit. The company sought ITC on goods and services used in the construction. Revenue Authority denied ITC under Section 17, subsection 5D of the CGST Act, arguing that ITC is not available for construction of immovable properties. Earlier judgment, the Odisha High Court sided with Safari Retreats, ruling that ITC should not be denied if the property is constructed for leasing as a business activity. The court stressed that GST is a value-added tax and denying ITC on capital inputs goes against its spirit. Supreme Court verdict. In this case, that the Supreme Court dismissed the revenue appeal, effectively upholding the Odisha High Court judgment. It reinforced that commercial leasing is a legitimate business activity and blocking ITC unjustly increases the tax burden. This move was seen as a positive precedent for real estate developers, malls, multiplexes, and other leasing businesses. Implication for the businesses that it's boost the commercial real estate and leasing business. Entities building properties for commercial leasing or renting can now claim ITC on construction cost, reducing project cost and improving cash flow, and reinforcement of taxpayer right. That the verdict confirms the principle of the neutrality under GST, reinforcing that tax should only be on the final consumer, not on business intermediaries. Clarity on the GST law interpretation. This case helps standardize the interpretation of Section 17, subsection 5D across states and tax officer, ending years of ambiguity. Government Retrospective Amendment 2023 attempt to the amendment in 2023 amendment to CGST Act attempt to retrospectively restrict ITC on immovable property even for leasing property. This verdict creates fresh uncertainty and potential litigation despite the Supreme Court verdict. Businesses must monitor future changes in law or notification before planning ITC claims. Thank you so much for watching this update.